Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, as we lead into our CPI report, as we jump back above our 8-day after our Dragonfly Doji came out on Friday. Now that we bounce back above our 8-day, will we possibly continue on higher here? What exactly would be that bullish case scenario? Again, with CPI coming out on Wednesday tomorrow, anticipating CPI, I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for from here. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news, before market open, major volatile movers you want to be watching before market open. For example, here with GRRR, looking for momentum out the gate here at $3.60, continued on all the way to $5.72. A very nice run that we had here on the day. And then if we were looking for a possible continuation, we would have been looking for that proof of concept to continue on higher as well. A very nice run that we had today in the Instabills room. One of many major movers that we mentioned throughout the week. Go to instabills.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the SPY with you guys here again, looking at our daily candle structure so we can anticipate what we're looking for. Going into tomorrow, as you guys can see again, opening lower and closing higher here with our green candle back above our 8-day moving average. Again, our white line is our 8-day moving average. Looking at our prior day Dragonfly Doji here and now bouncing, looking for a possible continuation back above our 8-day. What I would be watching out for here leading into CPI is either a possible, of course, continuation higher or lower here, even if we continue on back above our 8-day. We do not want that false break to the upside and possible continuation on lower highs. So again, that could be that possible rejection and possible continuation on lower if CPI comes out higher than expected. And in my opinion, if we do get this possible pullback, if we possibly do drop down below our 21-day here, then I would be looking for that possible bounce on our lower trend line here. So again, that would be our target if we did possibly continue on lower here, looking for that bounce off of our 50-day moving average to possibly continue on higher. That is that bearish candle setup. Again, if we happen to continue on lower here on CPI and we do have this pullback, then we'll be looking for that bounce here on our 50-day, again, our lower trend line. That is our lower target if we happen to continue on lower, but as we jump back above our 8-day, we are cautious to the downside. Going into tomorrow, we could possibly fill a gap on that possibility of CPI coming in lower than expected. As we got that spike, go into extended hours with that possibility of that lower than expected CPI, that would make a major continuation here. And if we did continue on higher here, if CPI was lower than expected, then in my opinion, our target would be here at 448. Again, this is our prior upper body candle that we had on our gap down. This is exactly what we'd be looking for. Again, mentioning this exact target here at 444 prior from our prior consolidation that we had before a continuation on lower here. So again, as we look for that overextension to possibly continue on higher here, our key indicator that everybody should be watching out for here is our 12 and our 26 on our MACD. If we happen to cross back higher, then in my opinion, that would give us that possible continuation on momentum here. And again, looking for that decrease in sell pressure going into tomorrow, and with CPI coming out, digesting with that increase in buy pressure for more confirmation on increases in buy pressure will be key here. So again, keep an eye on these indicators here, looking for this decrease in buy pressure, white shaded lines coming in for that possible increase in buy pressure, 12 crossing back above our 26 for that possible continuation. But if we do not get that continuation, if we happen to get a false break, again with CPI coming out higher than expected, then again, we know our target here on our lower trend line here. And if you guys want an exact price here, we'd probably look for that possible bounce here at 434, which would be our prior low in our prior consolidation that we had here. Again, looking for this possible target as our possible bounce level is our next play if we pull back here. So again, that's what we're looking out for. As we jump back over 8-day, we'll see exactly what CPI comes out as on Wednesday. Now, again, with that said, as we look for confirmation here, again, what we look for in the Instabills room is any major movers that you want to be watching for possible confirmation, any major news that you want to be watching for possible major moves. Go to instabills.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert throughout the day again. And again, all of you Instabills, I appreciate every one of you guys continuing to go at it as we have been. We will continue to take what the market gives us, a very nice bounce back. Going to extended hours, we'll see if we do continue to hold our 8-day going into tomorrow after getting a large reduction with bulls on our Dragonfly Doji, making sure we don't get any false breaks to the upside. If we do continue on higher, keep an eye on our resistance here at 444. So again, we'll see exactly what happens going into CPI on Wednesday. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow. and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.